Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we are going to be making stuffed bell pepper meatloaf. So come on, let's get started. Okay, I have a pound of ground beef. I forgot the egg. To that, I got one diced up bell pepper and one onion. I got one egg. Now you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees for this. To that, I'm going to start out with a half a cup of breadcrumbs. And I'm using panko because these are the only ones I have. And I'm going to add some pasta sauce. Not a lot, just a little bit. Probably about 1/4 of a cup. Now we're just going to mix this all together. And this is just going to make a small meatloaf. If you want a large meatloaf, you might want to use 2 pounds of ground beef. The original recipe says to add in a cup of minute rice, but I don't like rice in my bell peppers, so I'm not adding it to my meatloaf. And besides, I don't have no minute rice. That's a lot of bell peppers. Maybe they meant a small bell pepper. So I already sprayed my pan. So now I'm just going to put my meatloaf in here. Spread it out to fit the pan. And I'm using a small loaf pan. It smells good. That was a lot of bell peppers in one spot. Okay. Now I'm going to top it with some more pasta sauce. I put it on a baking sheet just in case the ground beef is extra greasy. If it boils over, it'll go on this pan and not my oven. Now we're going to bake this for 45 minutes. And then at the end of that 45 minutes, we're going to put our little bell pepper rings on the top and some grated mozzarella cheese. And then we'll put it under the board. We'll let it cook another 15 minutes. Check the internal temperature to make sure it's 165. And then if our cheese isn't brown, we'll put it underneath the broiler for a couple minutes. Okay, I will bring you guys back when we are done. Okay guys, it's been 45 minutes. My house smells amazing. Now we're going to put our pepper rings on the top. Might only need 3. That's okay, Buddy will eat that one. And then we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on it. So now we're going to put this back. I think I want these on top of the cheese, so you can see them. There you go. So now we're going to put this back in the oven for 15 more minutes, and then we'll check the temp to make sure it's up to 165 degrees. So I'll bring you guys back then. Okay guys, we are back. Our meatloaf is done. It's like 185 degrees, so I know it's done. And it looks amazing. And my house smells amazing. So, give me a couple minutes. I'm going to let this cool off a little bit. Then we'll slice it and we'll do a taste test. Okay, this is very hot. It is steaming all over the place. Mmm. Perfect. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like the filling of the stuffed bell pepper. Perfect. Excuse me. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you want, you can become a channel member by hitting that join button. If you would like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wishlist and our PayPal account in the description box below. This recipe will be in the description box. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. You gonna say hi? You're gonna say hi? You're gonna say hi? You're gonna say hi? I don't have nothing for you to eat. Everything's too hot. Everything's too hot for the babies. Yes, it is. It's too hot for the babies. You gotta wait. And besides, your dinner is in the living room because I already made yours. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I already made yours. Cutie pie. All right. Let these people go since you ain't going to talk. Since you ain't going to talk, we'll let them go. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.